Jai Hind students, I am going to explain you module 1 of chapter 5 more on PowerPoint 2010. In this module, we will learn how to inserting a table and entering data in table. Okay children? Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful presentation tool. It helps us to communicate our views and ideas effectively using diagrams, photos, chart, clip arts, sounds, colors, designs and animated special effects. Quick view. Press F1 key to open the Help window in Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. PowerPoint provides additional features to organize the information in a tabular format. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. In this module, we will learn how to insert a table, apply a table style and format the table using various commands. Let us recall which type of slide layout appear by default while opening Microsoft PowerPoint. Let us recall. What is table? Inserting a table. To insert a table, click on the New Slide drop-down arrow on the Home tab. Select the title and content layout as shown in the figure. Click on the Insert Table icon present on the slide as shown in a figure. The Insert Table dialog box will appear. Define the number of columns and rows. Click on OK button. A table will be displayed according to defined rows and columns. Tips for inserting a table. Intersection of a rows and column is called a cell. Click on the Insert tab and select Table and then go to Draw Table option to draw a table. Let us recall. We can also insert a table in a slide by clicking on the Table option on Insert tab. A menu will appear. Drag the mouse over the table grid to select the number of columns and rows you want in the table. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye children.